Hi everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Daulat Hussain. In this video, the tool I'm going to cover is Longtail Keyword Suggestion Tool. This is one of the best free open source you have to do your keyword research. As we all know that keyword research tools are very expensive. You have to take a monthly subscriptions or a yearly subscription to utilize those software for writing your content, for doing your analysis of the keyword. But why don't we use this free open resources for doing our keyword research at our initial stage? A lot of you guys are newbies, wanted to start your digital marketing journey, content creation journey, but at your initial stage you don't have much money to spend on buying those tools. That's why I'm coming with this complete series where I'm explaining you everything, that how you can utilize these free resources for your keyword research. Because when I started, nobody was there to guide me to explain all this tool. I bought those tools, spent a lot of amount of time and money, and still I was not able to know that how to utilize those softwares. But here in this tutorial I'm break down each and every parameter, that what is finding keywords, related keyword competitions, long tail keywords. So many things we have covered in this video, like keyword positioning, keyword density, like keyword suggestion tools. So this complete series will explain you everything about the keyword research. And after knowing all this thing, all these parameters, all these tools, you can able to do the proper research, the keyword around the keyword which you want to target for writing content. Research is very important before you proceed with writing, because anybody can write the content, but if nobody reads that, it's not rank on the 10, like top 10 page, or like in the first page of the Google, then what is the benefit of writing that? So that's why I do a proper research, and I do understand. That's why I'm coming with this free resources. Utilize it. It's completely free. You don't need to spend a single amount of money for utilizing this. So in this video I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on a long tail keyword suggestion tool. So to use the tool, all we have to do is simply click on this tool. That's the basic thing we have to do. You will come here, scroll it down, and this is the section which is very important for doing our keyword research and finding the long tail keywords. For example, let me give you, so the keyword I'm going to type right here in this box is, my primary keyword is WEIGHT, weight loss for men. So this is the long tail keywords, and I want to find the complete data around this keywords, all the long tail keywords. So you have a couple of filters here. You can do that. You have, like, from where you want to have the data, like Google, Twitter, Yahoo, Bing. So most of the searches happen on the Google, but when you're writing content for a specific audience, maybe your audience on the LinkedIn, or maybe your audience on Twitter, so you have to use this filter. But generally we target Google. So it's really up to you that how you want to do. You have the another filter on the base of country, that which country you are targeting. You another filter on the base of languages, so you can pick any language which you want. And here is the base of alpha. So I don't recommend you to do any changes right in the last one, alpha only. So just make it as it is. Once you're done with all the filters, just simply click on get suggestion and simply wait for a good, like, 3 minutes, not 3 minutes, 3 minutes too much, 30 seconds. As you can see, the counting number is started. So it will give you all the possible data around this keyword, all the possible long tail keywords on that keywords. So it will help you in an amazing way. Just wait for a few seconds, it will give you all the data. And as you can see that my keyword is already long. You can use the short keyword also, like weight loss, but still you will get all the long tail keywords. But here my keyword is already very long, but it also giving me data that how, what people are asking, including that keywords, what other things are also asking people. As you can see, like weight loss for man over 40, 50. So a lot of data you will get. So I just don't want to have too much data about it, so I will simply click on stop. And here is the best part, like 48, you got 48, like 10, you almost got 500 keywords in just 1 minute. So this is how you can utilize this amazing tool for getting all the keywords and doing the analysis. You can pick any one of these keywords, any one of this long tail keyword, write the content around it, and just simply post on your blog posts. So when you pick these kind of keywords, what happens generally, because you are targeting answering a very specific questions which specific peoples are asking. So this is how you can utilize this software. Once you find all these keywords, just simply click on export as a CVC. It will give you an Excel file. From there you can just have the record and do the further analysis, and everything done, then you can start building your content around. And you can do one thing also, you can include like these all keywords in your subheadings. So what will happen that your articles, your blog post has a huge chance of getting rank on a multiple keywords, on a multiple phrases. So this is how you can utilize this tool. It is absolutely amazing. I must tell you that if you are not using it, if you are a newbie, wanted to start your content journey, but if you are not using this open source free resources, then you know what you are missing. So I hope you have liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, any doubt, write down in the comment section regarding any topic which we have covered so far. If you haven't understood anything, let me know. I would love to help you out in that. I would love to explain you again about it. So do let me know what you think. Do share your point of view about this series. Are you enjoying or not? I'm waiting for response. So in the next video, the tool I'm going to cover is keyword rich domain suggestion tool, which you can able to find that in the next video. So make sure you watch that video where I'm going to explain you everything, that how you can use it and what are the benefit of using that tool in your keyword research. So for the time being, have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.